at home. Just get to create new memories. Yeah. Stones also. Love this color. Oops. One thing I forgot. Oops. Something to put the shells in. I was heading off this way. This here, one here, one here. Those beaches have some beautiful shells. See? I'm running out of space to hold these shells in one hand. Ooh, I keep seeing more nicer shells. More nice shells. Oops. I'm losing the other shell. There it goes. So much to choose from. You see, you get some. Look at that. Love it, love it. Ooh, look at that little one there. So beautiful. Yes, I got it. I caught it. Oh, yeah. Beach life that we don't get to do. We should do more often because we're not far. We're going to be stoned. For God's sake. Not to the beach. This is Vanderbilt Beach right now because it's earlier in the day, in the morning. Later on, it will be crowded. Yeah. Like a dinosaur feet. Look at that. Yeah. It's so relaxing, this water. I'm just looking at it. I see a lot of little fishes swimming around here. I heard that there was a dolphin somewhere out here. I don't see it. All I see is little ticky fishes right here. Little ticky fishes. Yeah. This one is just relaxing. That's a good thing. It's relaxation. Yeah. Time to chill and relax. You feel the de-stress now, dear?
Oh yeah.
I know. Shoulders feel more relaxed? Huh?
Yeah.
That's good. That's the goal. That's the goal. Relaxation. Refresh and relax. Yes. That is the ultimate goal for coming to the beach. Yes. See? Buildings going up over there. Sky sunny and bright.